Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, we're going to walk through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Azerbaijan. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant, nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. Alright guys, so in front of you, I have opened this Azerbaijan VFS e-visa site. Now they have gone to VFS for e-visa processing. So the very first thing when you come here is I would recommend you to understand what the process is. Okay. For example, they have given how to apply. Three simple steps. Select visa type, upload application form documents, payment of fee. Very simple because you can apply online. Who can apply for this visa? See the nationalities. These are the nationals who can apply for this visa online. Okay. All right. So once you are through all the information that you really need, again, there are many more questions. Visa fee also given, standard fee plus VFS, urgent fee plus VFS. What are the documents you need? Passport bio page. Okay, wow. So let's go for register first. And you should have some patience too. So you're going to start with email address, nationality, and mobile number. And then the system will send an OTP. If you already have one login, you can want to click on login. So I'm going to do this and then I'm going to see you guys. What happens is after put your email, the system does send an OTP to you on your email address that you have to put in. That is like your email address verification too. And then select country of application and then select visa type. I select standard. Of course, processing time and fee vary. For standard, processing time is higher, fee is less, but for other type, it's different. Okay, so you have to upload your passport bio page. Okay, and then you have to go to the next. I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. So guys, in the next page, like all the entry I make here is sample. When you do, make sure you do it as per your case, and anything you enter, make sure you verify at least 2 times. So most of people will have ordinary entry date. When are you traveling? So let's this first name and middle name, surname, date of birth. Do it as per your own case, guys. This is just a sample. Passport. I'm putting some sample. Issue date. Validate. Next is your applicant details. Birth country. Now these details should match with your passport. Any mismatch could lead you in trouble. I choose to visit Karabakh. I select no. Purpose of visit. I select tourism. Occupation. I select this residential address. Put your address. You know that better. Accommodation address in Azerbaijan. If you have booked hotels and all, definitely no. Email. Put your email. Sorry for the first one. I mean, if you want to add more applicant, you can click save and add applicant. Otherwise, you can click next. So the fee has been populated. You need to accept terms, condition, and then continue to payment where you pay and it goes into processing. And if it gets through, you're all good to go. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.